Living in a tiny apartment usually means fighting for every inch of storage and dealing with battling clutter. But with the right smart tools, you can completely transform a cramped room into a functional, aesthetic space. Today, we're counting down 10 of the best Amazon gadgets designed specifically for small spaces. That will make your apartment feel twice as big. Let's jump right in. Number 1, the foldable drawer organizer. Let's be honest, when you're dealing with a tiny bedroom, your dresser drawers turn into a total black hole. You throw socks, underwear, and belts in there, and you're tearing the whole drawer apart just to find one matching pair. This simple organizer set fixes that whole mess. It drops straight into your drawers and divides everything into neat, individual slots, so you can spot exactly what you need in 2 seconds. Number 2 is the foldable sleeper chair. The biggest challenge in a tiny apartment is multifunctional furniture that doesn't look cheap. This chair pulls triple duty as an everyday lounge seat, a recliner, and a guest bed. Instead of storing a bulky fold-out couch, you just unfold this high-density foam mattress right onto the floor whenever guests stay over. It's supportive, sets up with zero assembly, and tucks away cleanly. It completely solves the guest bed problem while keeping your apartment open and clutter-free. Number 3 is the folding table. Let's be real, putting a full-size dining table in a tiny apartment is impossible. It just blocks your walking space and makes the whole room feel claustrophobic. This piece of furniture is pure genius. When folded flat against the wall, it's just a slim console that takes up any room. Pop up one side, and you have a solid work desk. When you have friends over for dinner, flip both sides open, and it turns into a full 6-person dining table. It gives you a massive dining table without sacrificing your floor space every day. Number 4 is the lift-top coffee table. In a small living room, working or eating dinner on the couch usually means hunching over awkwardly and wrecking your back. This smart table completely fixes that. The top lifts up and pulls toward you smoothly, instantly turning into a raised desk for your laptop or meals. Underneath the lift mechanism, you get a massive hidden storage compartment to stash remotes, laptops, and cables out of sight, plus open side shelves for books. It turns your couch into a comfortable workspace while hiding all your living room clutter. Number 5 is the cable management box. Nothing ruins the vibe of a clean, small room faster than an ugly nest of tangled power cords and bulky surge protectors taking over your floor or desk. This sleek, natural bamboo box hides your entire power strip and power bricks. It has multiple built-in slots to run your charger cables through, plus a flat-top surface that doubles as a phone or earbud charging dock. It turns an ugly tangle cords into a clean, modern charging station in seconds. At number 6 is this slim gap storage cart. In a tiny apartment, awkward narrow spaces beside your fridge, washer, or bathroom vanity usually go completely unused. This multi-tier organizer slides right into those tight spots to unlock instant vertical storage. It features extra clearance on the bottom tier for tall detergent bottles, customizable dividers, and smooth rolling wheels that lock in place. You can even pop the wheels off to turn it into a stationary shelf or countertop organizer. It turns dead gaps into heavy-duty storage for your kitchen, laundry, or bathroom. Number 7 is the over-the-door organizer. When closet space is practically non-existent, the back of your door is the most underused real estate in your whole apartment. This heavy-duty hanging organizer hooks over any standard door in seconds, no drills or screws required. It gives you deep, non-sagging pockets with clear front windows, so you can spot your toiletries, shoes, snacks, or cleaning supplies instantly. The sides feature built-in mesh pouches for smaller grab-and-go items like keys, sunglasses, or hair tools. It creates a massive vertical pantry or closet organizer out of completely empty air. Next, the collapsible dish basin. In a tiny apartment kitchen, a single deep sink fills up fast, and bulky washing tubs take up an entire under-sink cabinet. This flexible basin pops open into a durable wash tub for soaking dishes, rinsing produce, or organizing dirty utensils. When you're finished, just push down, and it collapses flat. You can slide it right between your appliances, tuck it in a drawer, or hang it on a wall hook. It handles all your kitchen chores when you need it, then folds completely flat out of sight. Number 9 is the portable clothes dryer. Most small apartments don't have in-unit laundry, and waiting days for air drying on a bulky drying rack is a massive headache. This compact dryer is built specifically for tight spaces. You just hang up your wet clothes inside the enclosed drying bag and turn it on. It circulates warm air to dry up to 9 items in under an hour. And it also has a built-in LED sanitizing light. When you're finished, the whole unit folds up small enough to tuck into a drawer or carry-on bag. It eliminates bulky drying racks and gives you fast, fresh laundry without leaving your apartment. At number 10 is the foldable tripod drying rack. If your apartment doesn't have a dryer, massive horizontal drying racks take over your entire living room floor. This smart tripod rack uses pure vertical height instead. It pops open with 0 tools, giving you extendable hanging arms. The stable 3-leg base prevents tipping, and when everything is dry, the entire stand collapses down like an umbrella so you can slide it behind a door or inside a closet. It gives you a full laundry drying station that packs away in seconds. That wraps up our top 10 space-saving Amazon gadgets for tiny apartments. If you want to grab any of these to reclaim your living space, all the product links are right down in the description box below. If this video gave you some good apartment inspiration, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next tech and space-saving breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.